The question says, work out for this fraction. You have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 times 1 over 3 plus 3 over 7 within the parentheses. Okay, so how do we work out this? Okay, so solution. So we have to, of course, we have to deal with the parentheses first. Okay, and we solve everything we have in there. So here we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2, okay, times. So when we have this, we can easily look for the LCM of 3 and 7. How do we do that? We have 3, we have 7. So the prime number we can start with is 3. We have here 1. 3 cannot go with 7, we repeat it. So we have 7, we have 1 and 1. So the LCM is 3 times 7. That is 21. Okay. So when we have our 21, so we can easily say 7 times 9 is 7. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. And we close the bracket. So we say 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So we have here times 7 plus 9 is 16 over 21. Okay. So since we are having times, we can easily look for what that is common that we can divide. So we have 2, we have 16. So you can say 2 here is 1. 2 is 16, that is 8. Okay. So here we have 3 over 4. Okay, minus. So here we have 1 times 8 should be 8. Over 1 times 21 should be 21. So we have another set of fraction, which is 3 over 4 minus 8 over 21. So from here to work out this, we need to look for the LCM of 4 and 21. So when we look for the LCM of 4 and 21, how do we do that? We have 4, we have 21. So we can start with 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 cannot go in 21, repeat it. So we use 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 cannot go in 21, repeat it. So we can use 3. So here you have 1. 3 21 is 7. So the next prime number you can use is 7, 1, 1. So you have reduced it to 1, 1. That is your LCM. So we have to multiply 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 7, when you work it out, you are having 84. So the LCM here is 84. Okay. So 4 in 84 should be 21. When you multiply 21 by 3, 21 times 3. So you have here 63. So you have 63 minus 21. It's 84 divided by 21 is 4. 4 times 8, that's 32. So when you subtract 32 from 63, okay, so it's very easy. 63 minus 32, here is 1. So you have here 31 over 84. The question says, find the sum of 1 over 2, 5 over 13, and 1 over 26. So these are fractions, and we have to look for the sum. And to look for the sum, it means we should add up all these 3 fractions. So we have 1 over 2, 5 over 13, and 1 over 26. So how do we do this? Solution. So here we have 1 over 2, okay. So plus 5 over 13, okay. So plus 1 over 26. So we are given 3 sets of fractions, and we have to add. Okay, so how do we do this? So the first thing is to look for the LCM of 2, 13, and 26. Okay, so how do we do that? We say 2, 13, and 26. So we look for this prime number that we can start with. So we can start with 2. So we have 2, 2 into 2 is 1. 13 divided by 2 is not possible because we have the remainder. We repeat our 13. 26 divided by 2, that is 13. So the next prime number we can use is 13 itself. So you have 1, we have 1, we have 1. So we store and we multiply this. 2 times 13, that gives 26. So the LCM here is 26. So we work with 26, which is our LCM. Okay. So from here we start dividing. So we have 26 divided by 2 is 13. 13 times 1, that is 13. Plus 26 divided by 13, that is 2. 2 times 5, that is 10. Plus 26 divided by 26, that is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. Okay, so we add up. So we have 13 plus 10, that is 23, plus 1, 24 over 26. Okay, so when you look at this fraction, the proper fraction, and you can still simplify it further. Okay, using 2, this an even number, so this 24, this 26, so you can use 2 to reduce it further. So 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 24, 2 into 4 is 12, so 24 divided by 2 is 12, so when you divide this by 2, you have 13, okay, so this is our final answer. The question says, how many 6 over 15 are there in 4 over 5? How many 6 over 15 are there in 4 over 5? Okay, so how many of these can we see in this? So what that means, we should divide these two fractions. We should divide this fraction by this. Okay, so how do we do that? We have solution. So for 4 over 5, we have 4 over 5 divided by 6 over 15. Okay, the wrong way of doing this is to write 6 over 15 divided by 4 over 5. It is wrong because you are trying to know how many of these can you see in this. Okay, so that's why you have to divide this fraction with this, not in this form. Okay, so take note of that. So for every fraction, when you have division in between two fractions, the goal is to change the division to times, and once you have changed the division to times, the denominator of the last fraction comes up, the numerator becomes the denominator. So from here we have equals 4 over 5, okay, division is changing to times, okay, so the denominator of the last fraction here comes up, turns to the new numerator, while the numerator here becomes the denominator. Okay, so from here now, since we have times, we can now simplify and look for what is common. Okay, we have 5, we have 15, and we look at 4 and 6, we can simplify with 2. So here we have 5, we have 15, so we can simplify with 5. So here 5 here is 1, 5 and 15, that gives 3. Okay, so I can say 3 and 6 as well. 3 here is 1, 3 is 6, it's 2. Okay, so I have 2, I have 4. I can still simplify further. Okay, so 2 here is 1, 2 in 4 is 2. Okay, so from here, what I'm having left at the numerator here is 2 times 1. Okay, and then the denominator I'm having 1 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So when you divide this, you are having 2. So that means you can see twice of this in this. So when you want to test it, by the time you say check, okay, when you multiply this by 2, you will get this. So let us see. We have 6 over 15 times 2. Okay, this one is the same as saying over 1. So we have 6 times 2 over 15 times 1. Okay, here 6 and 15, I can reduce it with 3. So 3 in 6 is 2, 3 in 15 is 5. Okay, so here I have 2 times 2. Okay, over 5 times 1. So 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. So 4 over 5. So that means you are actually correct. 2 is our right answer. Thank you very much.